Desi girl traveler. So tell me, how many times have you actually explored your own city like a tourist? Today I'm going to do that, and for that reason I'm going to board a HoHo bus, which is the best bus to explore the capital city of India. HoHo bus provides sightseeing options to different places in Delhi, and the best part is this place takes you around 20 plus places in one single day, including the World Heritage Sites, different museums, monuments, etc. So today I'm going to start my journey in HoHo bus, and let's see how many places I can cover. So in order to board HoHo bus, you have to come to Baba Khadak Singh Marg, and that's where HoHo bus center is there. I want one-day ticket for HoHo bus. I have got my entry pass and I'm going to board the bus. Thank you.
Welcome.
HoHo bus is the best way to see Delhi. Best part is, in these HoHo buses, you don't have a fixed seat where you have to sit. You can definitely choose, and I'm going to choose the best place for me. I like to see the city from height, so I'll definitely go here. Now that's a tourist-like feeling. Look at this. You know what? It's a very different feeling altogether. I'm in my own city, the very own city, Delhi, which I absolutely love, and today I'm going to explore it like a tourist.
Which is dedicated to our 8th Sikh Guru, who stayed here in year 1664. At that time, many epidemics problems were there.
So we have already crossed Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Bal Bhavan and other few stops of HoHo bus. Now that's the best part about HoHo bus, that it gives you the flexibility to hop on and hop off. If you don't want to get down at any of these stops, you can just continue in the bus, and if at all you decide to get down, you can just wait there for like 30 to 40 minutes and the other bus will come and you can board that. Now I'm heading to Red Fort right now. Now the thing is, unlike other buses and other tour guides, the thing is that in this bus you get flexibility. So you can just go around the places at your own time with your own convenience, and definitely at the comfort of a premium bus. So my HoHo bus has dropped me to India Gate. Now you can't come to Delhi and not visit India Gate. It is the signature monument of Delhi and a famous landmark. Definitely worth a visit.
आप अपने दाईं ओर देख सकते हैं राष्ट्रपति भवन गेट नंबर 37। इसके इसके टोटल 39 गेट्स हैं। अगर आपको कभी भी विजिट करना हो अंदर से, तो उसके लिए आपको 1 महीना पहले ऑनलाइन बुकिंग करानी है।
So there is a huge queue here and you have to buy the ticket because Hoho Bus, they don't provide the tickets for these monuments. You have to buy it yourself. So I'm gonna get my ticket right now. The day is absolutely bright. Look at the sun. So I've just got off the Hoho Bus and I have come to National Rail Museum. Now this museum was opened on 1st February 1977 and it was built with an aim to promote the rail heritage of India. Now during the weekends you will find a lot of kids here hanging out and also parents taking selfies. So you have here a railway archive, indoor gallery, exhibits, souvenir shop, auditorium, and in case you are thirsty you also have drinking water right there. Palace on Wheel coaches, Bhutan Embassy, VIP lounge. There's also a VIP lounge here. This is what I have got to do as a tourist in the city. यार ये घूम भी नहीं रहा मुझसे. No, actually I get this quite heavy. So this is how a desi girl should be, you know, ठेले खींचते हुए, रिक्शा खींचते हुए, ऑटो चलाते हुए. So that was about the rail museum. My bus is already here and I'm hopping in, going to my next destination. So I am at Yashwant Place shopping complex right now. This place is actually famous for leather market, but they have variety of food options available. Like you see here, you have Chinese, Mughlai, and you have Indian food. So I am at Chanakya Barbecue. This place is famous for its Punjabi food. And I have ordered paneer butter masala, there's a dal makhani and butter naan for me. Of course, loading myself with lots of calories today because no dieting for today. And let me taste it and tell you guys how good it is. So I have my bill here and it's for 500 rupees, quite economical. So guys, the bus is heading to Sarojini Nagar market now and I've already done a video on Sarojini Nagar. You get so many things there to, you know, right from the Adidas shoes to Nike shoes, like I said already with my guide. Make sure you watch the video, I'll keep the link up. So I am at Qutub Minar right now. It is a World Heritage Site and it is also the tallest minaret in India, which is almost like 73 meters of height and there are 379 stairs side. Now you see here there's a long queue, so I will just go inside, explore Qutub Minar.
Bus number 10 from Rajghat, 20 minutes delay.
So my Hop on Hopper bus has brought me to Lotus Temple, which is one of the most prominent attractions of Delhi. The Lotus Temple has been built in the structure of a lotus flower like you already see, and there are altogether 27 petals made of marbles on the structure. And one more thing about Lotus Temple is that it is also known as Baha'i Temple, and it is the last of the 7 Baha'i temples across the globe. Altogether, $10 million was spent to construct this. With that, you can imagine the architecture and the beauty of this place. Just have a look. So a visit to Lotus Temple is not complete without taking a selfie. My whole bus has again dropped me to Humayun's tomb. Humayun's tomb was built in the year 1570, and it is one of the finest examples of Mughal architecture. The architecture of Taj Mahal was inspired by the architecture of Humayun's tomb. Let's go and explore. So guys, that was about Humayun's tomb. I'm waiting for my next Ho-Ho bus, which is scheduled to come in another 5-10 minutes. The traffic is quite dense today, so it might take 5-10 minutes longer. But the thing is, every 40 minutes there is a Ho-Ho bus at the dedicated bus stop. Let's see how much I have to wait for this. So guys, that was my journey in Hop on Hopper bus, exploring the capital city of India. I am back to the place where I had started from. Make sure when you want to explore Delhi, do take a ride in Ho-Ho bus, and I'll give you 2 reasons why you should be taking that. The very first one is, it's quite economical. For 500 rupees, you get to travel to 20 destinations in one single day. And if you feel that 20 destinations are too much for you, you can take the ride for 2 days. The second thing is, you don't really have to plan your trip, because the bus goes to particular places and you can always get down wherever you want. With that, I will end this video. Make sure to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and all the good stuff. I'll repeat again, don't leave this video without subscribing to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.